Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I am technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. So far in my last two lecture video, I am giving a lecture about the swapping the two numbers in C. In my first part, I have given explanation with the help of using a third variable how we swap the two numbers. In my second video about swap two numbers, I have given a program about the swapping two numbers without the support of third variable. Okay, so in the last lecture I have given explanation with the help of addition and subtraction of two numbers. So in this lecture I'm going to give a say example of swapping the two numbers, but in this example we're going to use operator of multiplication and division. Okay, so in my first swapping part, I have declared a third variable temp, and I did a swapping with the help of temp. Okay, so in the last lecture, I have given explanations with the help of an operator plus and then minus. It's a binary operator. It's performing operation on two operands. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're gonna see how we swap the two numbers with the help of multiplications and division operator. Okay. So for doing that, what we have to do is we have to use a multiplication operator here, and in the next equation you modify that to division operator. Okay, and the next thing is also we have to use an operator division. Okay, so this is what it's doing. Okay, now what it's doing, we are multiplying the values. We are multiplying the values of A and B, and result is stored in B. Okay, and the next thing is value of B is divided. Okay, it's divided by value of A. Value of B is divided by A, and result whatever it's coming, it's stored in A. Okay, and the next case what are we having, the value of B is again divided by, okay, it's divided by the value of A, and now the result is stored in B. Okay, now let me run the program with the help of one same constants 2 and 3. Okay, which I used in the previous example. So I'm running it. Okay, so the first I'm giving value of A as 2 and value of B as 3. Okay, so I'm going to maximize this. Okay, this it's not comfortable. Let me explain the same size. So here I assign the value of A as 2 and B as 3. So value of A is 2 and B is 3 before we swapping. So after the swap, the value of B is came to A and value of A is came to B. Okay, so this is what swapping. So how this is happening, let me explain here. So at first I have given a value of A is 2 and B is 3. So when we multiply the two thing, we get the value of 2 * 3 is a 6. So value of B is assigned to 6. Okay, and the next case our value of B is 6. Okay, and value of A is 2. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the value of A is assigned to 3. Okay, value of A is changed as 3. The next case is we are having the value of B as 6. Okay, so because we didn't modify any values in the second expression. So far in the first expression we got the value of B as 6. Okay, so the same value is readable in the B here in the right side, and we are dividing the value of A as 3. Okay, because in the previous expressions we got the value of A as 3. Okay, so now 6 divided by 3, what we are doing here is we are dividing the 6. Okay, so we are dividing the 6 with the value of 3. So that value is equal to 2, and the B value is modified to 2. Okay, so these are basic operations which is happening in the multiplication and division operator here. So in my last lecture video and this lecture video, I have given explanations about how we swap the two numbers without the use of the third variable. Okay, all, thank you all for watching this video. If you guys have any doubt or comments, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all.